Good morning, students. Today we will do revision of chapter 10, Shelter. I have already explained you the chapter, but today I will be explaining you the key points so that you can revise the lesson. Okay, shelter. Shelter means a place where we live. All of us need a house to live in. House provides us shelter. So place where we live in is called shelter. So how many types of houses are there? There are two types of houses. Pakka house and kacha house. What is pakka house? Pakka houses are mainly found in towns and cities, and they are made up of wood, cement, brick, iron, glass, etc. And see, bungalow, flat, apartment, these are the example of pakka house. Now kacha house. Kacha house is made up of mud, straw, bamboo, thatch, etc. And hut and cottage are examples of kacha house. Any country's king or queen, they live in a palace. Now, we will read about temporary houses. There are some temporary houses also. They are made for particular purposes. Now, we'll read about temporary houses. They are not pakka house. And we cannot say them as kacha house. They are temporary. थोड़े time के लिए होते हैं. Like houseboat. See, this is a boat which is floating on water and it is given a shape of a house. Some houses float on water. These are called houseboats. They are generally made up of wood. And where do we find them? They are seen on the lakes of Jammu and Kashmir. Next is caravan. Some houses can be driven from place to place. Now see, caravans are house on wheels. Can you see the wheel? It looks like a big vehicle, and inside is there are all the necessity things on which a person can survive temporarily. Okay, basic facilities of shelter. Okay, this kind of house can travel from one place to another. They are built on wheels and are called caravans. Igloos. Can you see this igloo? This is made up of snow and this is made in very cold places. Inside this is the gate of the igloo. Inside it is very warm. So people in cold places make houses of snow and call them igloo. Now we'll get to know about tents. Tent is again a temporary house. You can carry it along with you, and when people go out for camping or in forest night out, then they set up this tent. We also see our soldiers using tents. Now why do we need house? Because it protects us from heat, cold, rain, storm, thieves and wild animal. A house protects us from so many things. And we can also use it to store goods for future purpose. And we enjoy the comfort of our house and we feel safe and secure. See, when in a house this child is inside the house, he is safe from lion, wind, rain, heat, thief, snakes. So inside house we feel safe and secure. Now this is the description of a house. I have a beautiful house. I feel safe and comfortable in my house. My house has 4 rooms and a big lawn. My house is a pakka house. I have decorated my house beautifully. So this is the description of a house. Now here I've already told you, you'll do it by yourself. Write few lines, at least 4 lines you write about your house. Okay, we'll again revises. We all need a house to live in. A house protects us from heat, cold, rain, wind, thieves and wild animals. There are different types of houses. Houseboat, igloo, tent and caravan are temporary houses. Now I'll be sending you the question answers of this lesson. Please complete it in your EVS CW copy. Thank you.